Sumup card reader. Sumup card reader. Welcome back. You're watching ACIERO in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again with Sumup. Today I'm back again with another unboxing. This other unboxing is a Sumup card reader. Most of you may wonder, who is this for? Yeah, this is for me. I bought it for myself. So most of you are wondering what is this and what we are going to unbox. This card app sum reader is really convenient. It's really convenient for business owners, and it's a good addition to, you know, your cash register. So if you want people to pay you mobile, if you want to accept payments, credit card, debit cards, Google Pay, Apple Pay, this is the thing for you. And growing your business with this will be very helpful, because this thing retails for just 22 euros, I think, depending on where you buy it. On Amazon, I think it's $19. Check in the description link below to find the link and see how much it really costs on Amazon or anywhere, and using my affiliate link. But this card reader is very, 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 very friendly, mobile friendly. It fits in your handbag. It also doesn't take a lot of space if you don't have a lot of space in the place where you're working at. And if you want to accept payments, walking around or blah blah, asking. Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Union Pay, Dinner Clubs, Discover, Google Pay, Apple Pay. What else would you need? You can connect it using your phone, your tablet, your computer. The only thing you need to do is set up an account. And the only other thing you need to know is when you accept debit cards, it takes, I think, 1.9% of the transaction that's paid. And when you use a credit card, I think it takes 2.39% from that. But it's like chip and pin, so you can use it. It has a chip and pin, and it accepts all major debit and credit cards, and there are no monthly fees. Before, we had these cheap machines that you had to pay a monthly fee, you had to rent it, but these ones you just buy, and within 5 minutes you're online, already accepting payments from your customers. So let's see how it is. So it comes in a very good box, very packaged well. Let's see how. I love the packaging, blue. And it says made with love from Sumup. The box is really nice, durable, and open it, you have a user guide, and you also have a charger. So what you have to do before you use this card, you have to charge it using your computer or your USB cable or whatever you have, you know. So, or in electricity, you just have to find a way of putting your USB in electricity. And then it has a stop on button. I think it's the same button you also use for off. Okay, you charge it down here, and then in this slot here, this is where you put the card, and you can also put the card on top, so it can also read it without you putting it inside. And then this is the keypad where you put your PIN code. Yeah, and here it says yes. Here, if you want to go back, you made a mistake, you could press the yellow button and the green button. No, sorry, and the red button for canceling anything you want to cancel. So Sumup, I think it's something for everyone who owns a business or anyone who wants to accept payments. You can also just buy it for fun and see if your friends will give you money on your birthday, and just say, oh, I want to buy this, and say, oh, but if they said I don't have money, they'll send it to you. Say, no, there's no need to send it to me. Here. You can pay it now. You just have to do this. Here, you can pay it now, and then they don't have any excuses of saying, no, 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 we'll send it. No, they pay it immediately. So with this in your handbag, there are no more excuses. You're ready for your money. If you want to buy this, just go in the description below and find out more information with my Amazon link. And if you buy something, I'll get a commission with it. Please help me out and to support this channel. Thank you for watching, and for more videos, keep watching, like this video, comment. If you agree with me that this will work for you and it's a good addition to your business, leave a comment below saying yes, this is a good addition to my business. If you don't agree, please also leave your comment saying no, I don't agree, blah blah blah. And don't forget to subscribe and follow us